Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to close an iron condor on Thinkorswim. First, navigate to the Monitor tab within the platform. Find your open iron condor position listed there. Right-click directly on the position to bring up a context menu. From this menu, select the option that says Create Closing Order to begin the process of exiting your trade. This action will pre-populate an order ticket for you. Once the order ticket appears, take a moment to review the pre-filled details. The system will attempt to create an order to buy back the short options and sell the long options. You will likely want to adjust the limit price to ensure you are getting your desired credit or debit. You can also change the order type, perhaps to a one cancels the other order for more advanced management. After you have made all necessary adjustments to your closing order, it is crucial to verify every parameter one last time. Double-check the price, quantity, and order type. Once you are confident, click the Confirm and Send button. This action will submit your order to the market. You can then monitor its status in the Order Book section of the platform. To maximize your success with iron condors, consider closing positions early, ideally before the final week of expiration, to mitigate gamma risk. A common strategy is to aim for a profit target of 50% to 75% of the maximum potential profit. This helps lock in gains and reduces exposure. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.